Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising from 28th of December till the 4th of January 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story, honey. Okay, I am conducting a live 7 days workshop for manifestation and unblocking your seven chakras, unlocking the power of your seven chakras and manifesting your dream life. You can manifest love, you can manifest wealth, prosperities, and it's definitely going to help you to raise your vibrations. You're going to learn the tools and techniques and the meditations for the same. And this is going to be live 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. 20 to 26th of January 2026. The recordings will be provided if you will not be able to attend live. The link is given below for the same if you want to attend. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Libra. Overall energy or the mutual energy or the current energy for the connection right now. Okay, let's see. We have the Page of Wands, the World card, Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. So there is something going on in your life right now, a friendship kind of a deal, or it's just a start of something brand new, or this is something that you started but it ended. You started on a light note and things ended on a very heavy note, and there are a lot of stressful energies around the situation right now. You are trying your best to not to get indulged or not to get affected, not to get mentally stressed out because of this thing, but it is stressful. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. There might be issues regarding family or finances or cultural background issues or commitment issues or marriage kind of a deal, kind of a thing that is making this situation very very difficult to deal with. So something started a friendly kind of a connection or something, but it ended on an ugly note, and the problem or the blockage might be financial issues, family background, financial status, or something related to stability or commitment that created this kind of rift or issues between you guys. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Libra. We have the Ten of Pentacles. So this is someone who feels like family or money or finances or financial status is quite important right now. That's something that is in their uh, priority list. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles here. We have Two of Pentacles, Justice, and the Five of Swords. What is happening here? This person is feeling like torn between two choices. There is a choice between family and you, and or something related to their stability and this bond or this connection. They feel like they should do justice with the situation, they should do justice with you, and they should balance it out with you, but it is very very stressful for them to make any kind of permanent choice or decision in this direction. There's definitely a choice between you and something else or someone else, or you have to make a choice between them and someone else or something else, and it is very very stressful because you guys are not able to do that. They're continuously living in stress, like what is going to happen next, what is going to happen next, who they are going to choose, what they are going to do, what Libra is going to do at the end of the day. It's quite stressful. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? The Emperor. From your side, you feel like taking the charge of the situation in your own hands. You feel like being in control of your emotions and not letting this thing affect you on a deeper level. Let's clarify the Emperor. You are feeling like you should be the mature and grounded person here. Okay, let's clarify the Emperor here. We have the Knight of Cups, Eight of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. Yes, you feel like even if you have to walk away from something or someone, even if you have to completely detach, you should do it with love and compassion instead of doing it with harsh energies or with being too much hard on yourself or too much hard on the other person. You feel like letting this situation go slowly but surely, very, very slowly, out of your life, out of your system, with love and compassion and with genuine forgiveness kind of energy, whether it's from your side or theirs or from both sides. So you definitely feel like taking the charge of this situation in your hands and letting this situation go or this person go, whatever is not working out in this situation, letting that thing go out of this situation slowly but surely with love and compassion. Meanwhile, keeping the control in your hands. Okay. It's like being firm about whatever you're choosing, but with love, like a coconut, hard from the outside and very soft from the inside. That's what your energy is right now for the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? The Hierophant. Okay, their intention here is to have some kind of spiritual kind of connection. Let me clarify this. This person is very stuck on marriage, commitment, long term partnership, spiritual bonds. You might be dealing with a very spiritual person or somebody who is having a very rigid belief system or cultural background system or something like that. Let's clarify the Hierophant. We have the Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Death card. This person wants to take a step back and they want to wait and watch for the situation to either evolve or dissolve into something meaningful, but there is something related to their cultural belief system or their spirituality that is very, very important for them. That is might be the main problem between you guys: caste difference, religion difference, belief system difference, spirituality difference. So this person wants to wait and watch if you guys will be able to come on the same page or not. If not, they just want to move forward. If yes, they might take it forward in a positive way. Okay, but they have a very rigid system or something that they believe in, and they want you also to believe in that thing. That's how you guys are going to come on the same page according to them. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Page of Swords. So from your side, you just want to keep yourself at a safe distance and you want to watch this situation from a distance. You want to get to know each and everything about this person, but from a distance. Okay, so you want to keep yourself at a safe distance from the situation. Let's clarify the Page of Swords here. Oh God, come here, come back. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Swords. Right. There is something related to finances, stability. Very, very important for you right now, Libra. You might be dealing with a Taurus. Okay. Not mandatory. So you want to watch this person from a distance because you don't want to get hurt again. Whether this person holds that kind of capacity where you can move forward in that direction where both of you are on the same page and creating something long term, and or you should let this go. So you want to maybe test this person, test the waters with this person, but from a distance. You want to understand, and or you want to understand whatever they are trying to tell you, whatever they are trying to say you regarding their family, regarding their finances, regarding their belief system. Are they truly like saying the truth to you, or they are making excuses just to get out of this situation or just to break your heart or something? So you want to test this person from a distance because you don't want to get hurt again. That is why you want to keep yourself at a safe distance and understand what this person is up to so that you can decide what you should do and what you should not do in this direction. Period. Cool. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 4th of January, Libra. Four of Cups. It's like confusion and disappointment. There is going to be someone just in front of you that you will be completely ignoring or avoiding, and you will be watching on the things that are not working out for you. So there is someone who is very interested in you, but you are not interested in them, and then you are interested in something or someone else, and that's not there. So that's disappointing you. Let's clarify the Four of Cups here. We have the Tower, the Nine of Cups, the Seven of Wands. Out of the blue, you are going to realize that a particular person or situation makes you very, very happy, but either that person or that situation is completely closed off right now. They are not available to go ahead with, and or you are going to feel like even if something or someone is giving you a lot of happiness, there are lots of obstacles and challenges or blockages that you guys are not able to handle, and that is creating this distance between you guys, and that is creating this disappointment. So suddenly out of the blue, you are going to feel a lot of love towards a particular person or situation, and you're going to realize that something or someone is very, very important for you, more important than you imagined. But there are certain kind of limitations or blockages that you guys have to work on, but the other person or other energy is not here, and that's going to disappoint you, or they are not here the way you want them to be here. Okay, it's going to make you feel disappointed and a little bit confused. It can be very much possible that somebody is going to reach out to you because they are going to realize that you are their true happiness or something, but you are over them now. You are not interested in them anymore. Meanwhile, your energies and your eyes are somewhere else, and you're not getting it. That's creating some kind of disappointment in you. That's the outcome here. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Libra. We have Six of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Nine of Wands. Right now, you are not emotionally and mentally balanced. Either you are being too emotional or you are being too practical. At the same time, there's a lot of passionate energy. There are a lot of powerful energies coming out of you to do something in a particular direction. But at the same time, you're not able to do that. You're like, okay, there is some kind of blockage in a direction where you are very, very passionate to go in, and that is creating a lot of painful energies for you, as if you're continuously fighting with some kind of invisible forces, and you're going in extremes. Either you are too practical or you're too emotional, but because this passionate energy, this taking the, like, wearing your heart on your sleeves kind of energy is making you restless, and you're not able to figure out what you should do. So instead of acting on your impulses, instead of feeling like the whole universe, whole divine is against you, try to sit down with these emotions and these impulses and try to understand why this is happening, what this is trying to make you understand. There's a lesson in this. There's a lesson of patience. There's a lesson of understanding that infatuation or attraction or impulses is not love. And there's a lesson to be patient and ground yourself before you are going to make any kind of life-changing decisions or choices. That's the most important lesson hidden in this whole reading. So that's the guidance you guys have to figure it out yourself, why you are so impulsive regarding a particular person or situation, and what is the lesson behind this blockage that the universe is creating here. So you are going to, like, calm down and relax and think about it. Universe is actually giving you the time to think about it, to properly understand about it. But you might take it as a punishment or take it as, oh my God, the whole divine is against me or something, right? We have this tendency to do that. We are humans. So let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If it's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. So close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 seconds, 10 to 15, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is yes. It's a full-fledged yes, big yes. Okay, So I don't have to explain this to you guys. That's good. Thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.